Umphathi wedolobha eTshwane ubiza umhlangano womkhandlu namhlanje, kodwa iqembu EFF lithi akanalo ilungelo lokubiza umhlangano. Usihlalo we-EFF eTshwane bakhe uthi lo mhlangano awukho emthethweni. Umphathi wedolobha akanalo ilungelo lokubiza umhlangano. Usomlomo onelungelo lokubiza umhlangano.
We think that the city manager has overreached. It was not supposed to be the city manager who called the meeting. We have written to the city manager requesting in terms of section 29 of the Municipal Structures Act that he give us a letter or any indication that the Speaker of Council refused to call a meeting as requested by the petition of the majority of councillors who wrote to him and the MEC and the city manager. None of them have produced that. It means that the Speaker of Council didn't refuse to call a meeting, and the city manager doesn't have a right to call a meeting.
Ukhulumela umkhandlu wase-Tshwane uSelbi uthi umphathi wedolobha unalo ilungelo lokubiza umhlangano uma Usomlomo enqaba ukubiza umhlangano.
We now know that the speaker did not call the meeting for Friday, and then there was a further request for the meeting to be convened today at 3 p.m. The city manager engaged extensively with the speaker about this request from the multi-party coalition members. And the city manager, in terms of the law, if the speaker refuses to call the meeting, the city manager has to step in and convene this meeting. So what the city manager basically did was to comply with the law. Had he refused to do that, he would have been in contravention of the law.